while back, I made a video on a website called Swagbucks. When I made that video, I was a little skeptical about it, and then about 2, maybe 3 weeks later, I posted a video on the first prize I got, which was the Swagbucks t-shirt. And since then, I have bought a $5 PayPal gift card, which paid for my new 1/8" Visco fuse, and I also ordered 4 Amazon gift cards, which bought me this new Zippo lighter. This website is real, and I just thought I'd share, because I don't see why anybody would skip on using this website, because you're getting free stuff. So just thought I'd share.